I don't appreciate videos that destroy my ears. He said that it would be...
Vou aqui para mais vídeo e neste vídeo, o que é que eu sei quando chegar ao 100 é... absolutamente nada. Eu não vou fazer nada.
I get the comedy because the comedy is similar to that of like zooming in real close. Like, you know, you're essentially, you've got this comedy of zooming in really close. It's the same thing as zooming in with your camera or in editing. You're making the audio a lot louder. You're zooming in the audio. And I get the comedy, but I don't appreciate it because it hurts my ears and I come from an audio background. So what I would do in your case, if you want to do that type of audio, is come into your editor and go on your master output or whatever your main audio is that you're going to do that nasty loud stuff, and add a limiter. Even though it's distorted, it's still at the same volume as the regular audio. So it doesn't hurt someone's ears or blow their speakers, but it still has that comedic effect of zooming in that audio. Let's say I want this to be like zoomed in.
Some low end and bring some high frequencies up to make this mic sound okay. But most mics need that type of EQing anyway.
You can do that type of thing with it. More distorted, more crunched, but not any louder in the headphones, so it doesn't hurt people's ears. That's the way I would do that. You still get the comedy out of it without the pain. That's my thoughts on it.
See you later.